studio. I want to welcome you all to Objects, and we like to say welcome home, because this truly is a home to all creatives of all different art forms, and we're so grateful for you guys for choosing Objects to host us today. So yeah, with Object Studio, as you can see, the main studio that we're in right now, this is Studio A, that is Studio B. Of course, they have the full space rented out. If you're interested in renting, there's QR codes on the front door as well as that. You can just scan it, fill out an inquiry form, and we'll get right back to you. There's not that many house rules because we like people to just kind of have fun and do what they want. Booking here at Objects, you have the opportunity to move furniture if you want, kind of make your own scene, make your own set. You're welcome to shoot on the stairs if you want. Please, only one person on the stair at a time. You just can't go upstairs. But if you want to shoot in this back area, you can. We've got a nice little tub action over here, so you're welcome to do that. And last but not least, we actually have an event called Project Portfolio coming up January 31st. We're going to have 8 models, and there's only 10 photographer slots for the daytime and the nighttime section. So you have the natural light, but then you also have artificial light, so colorful lights and stuff like that. There's something on the door as well. And if you want to tag us, it's OBJX.studio. So thank you guys so much, and I'm so excited for today.